Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi, and if you're watching me for the first time, then yeah, my name is Nidhi. I hope you like the background, like the mirror and this orange background. I hope you like this. And today's video is about my monthly favorites. I know this month was so hectic. I was traveling and moving and doing all sort of stuff, and I did not had a lot of time for myself to explore and everything. But still, whatever products I have used so far, and whatever products I still wanted to do this video for you guys because there were a few things which actually were really great, and I wanted to share that with you. So hope you guys like it. So let's get started with the video pretty soon. There are not a lot of products. This video is going to be like a really short one. So let's get started with the first product, which is this Nature's Company Vanilla Vitamin E Cream. It's for all skin type. The reason I love this is because of the smell. It is so amazing. It smells like vanilla and it looks like the ice cream. I just feel like eating it, and it is so smooth and so good for the skin. I really love this. I'm planning to buy a full size of it, and also I'll be doing my favorite products from Nature's Company because I seriously feel this brand does make amazing stuff. One of this is this one. So the first thing is this. Next up is this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. I like this a lot. Like, there are most of the days, obviously, when you are going out or when you are going for work and you do not want to wear a lot of makeup, I think just a bold lipstick and some highlighter on your brow bone, on your cheekbone will just do the stuff. And this is something like that, like not just for work. It has a golden shimmer to it, so not just for work, but even if you're going for party and you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, just throw in some highlighter and you look amazing. Because I think highlighters just uplifts your face so much. You don't need anything else. Just throw in some highlighters under your brow bone, on your cheekbone, and you're good to go. So there's not just this one highlighter. I love both my highlighters that I bought this month. This is from Savannah Colors. This has a pearl finish to it. I like it because of that. It has a really gorgeous pearl finish to it that has a golden shimmery finish to it. So this is how the highlighter looks. Look at it, how gorgeous it is. I just love it. So yeah, these are the two highlighters that I have been loving this month because there were a lot of times that I had to go to weddings, or there were my office party, and then I had to there were a lot of times that I had to go to functions or weddings or parties. So I love those. Then I dropped my nail polish. So there are two nail polishes that I really loved wearing this month. One is this from Catrice. This is their 710 Dulce and Havana, I guess. I love this stuff a lot, and I got this from one of my friend on YouTube. I love her so much for sending me things of these sort. I seriously love this one. Look at the wand. I mean, look at its brush. It's so wide, and just one swab on your nail and your entire nail is covered in the nail paint. You don't have to apply multiple coats multiple times because one swipe, it's so broad, it's so flat that it's just so amazing. The other one is this Simply Pretty Avon nail paint. This is their cool champagne shimmer. This is the one that I am wearing right now. I love this. It has this champagne shimmery color to it. It just complements my nails and my hands so much. I love these two really a lot. Like, these are so amazing. Love this stuff. Next I have this lip liner from Avon again. I recently got this, but I still love it because first of all, it's a roll-on, and I think everybody loves roll-on lip liners or eyeliners, and you don't have to shape the product every time you have to use it. So first up for this, and it is so creamy. It is like you can use it all over your lips. It is that creamy, and it is like good. It lasts for a good amount of time. I love this stuff again a lot. Okay, so the next product is this sugar crayon. I think everybody got this in their Feb bag again. Fab bag, but since I did not subscribe to Fab bag anymore, I did not receive this. I got this one from, again, the person who sent me this. So I love you, Sherry, a lot for sending me these gifts. I love you so much. These are like the most loved things I have right now. I am so grateful to you for sending out those things to me. So this is like the amazing color. Look at the color. It is so matte, super 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 matte. I was wearing this to my office party and everybody was like, what color are you wearing on your lips? And I was like, yeah, I know I'm looking good. Yeah, I know I have those pictures on Instagram, but you can't. I'm dropping these things. I have like shaky hands right now. So yeah, I was wearing it to my office party and everybody was like, what color are you wearing? You look good. So I was like, yeah, I know. Okay, so I have pictures of my office party on Instagram also. Do check them out, though you can't see the color because those pictures are all red. There was some red lighting there, so I was all red. But yeah, this is amazing color. These are super matte. If you are a matte lipstick lover, you must have this. This is in the shade 03 Poison Ivy and I love it, like seriously love it. And the last thing that is again on my list is this Just Herbs Elixir. It's a beauty elixir rejuvenating facial serum. It has Gotu Kola Indian ginseng, and I am in love with this once more because I have like some skin issues, and this is one thing that I can always rely on. It just makes the skin flawless. I am the person who believes in having just that flawless skin rather than putting on makeup, because I think like if you have flawless skin, everything just compliments you. So I believe more in that. So yeah, this is something that helps me achieve that. So that is again on my list. So that was it. I know this has been like this has been the shortest ever monthly favorites video of mine, but I have been using these many products only this month because you guys know most of the time we were like shifting, we were our things from here and there, arranging the things, so I did not get time pretty much to get into these beauty stuffs this month. But as I told you in my last video, I am back and I'm back full on, and I'm really excited because I'm going to get a new camera. Okay, so I'll do that. Probably I'll receive it today and I'll do an unboxing of it before Friday with you guys. I just want to open it with you guys. I'm so excited. I will have my own camera. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.